Okay, we're gonna go over short ribs. So these are the brisket short ribs. These are a 5 bone. So normally you'll get them as a 4 bone. This first bone that comes off right at the tip of the sternum, there's not a whole lot of meat on there. And so generally you won't see that 5th bone. We can get these as 4 bones or as 3 bones. So these are the brisket ribs. They come off, the brisket lays right up on this side. From where the brisket ribs are, counting the next section of ribs, that was where the short ribs come from the short plate. The navel will be attached right here on the bottom. The first 4 ribs on this piece is where we're gonna be cutting those. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll trim these out because there's not a whole lot of meat on those. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll cut through, trim those ones out. So these are short ribs just by themselves. So we can cut them individually as short ribs, or we can cut our flanken style ribs from here. You can do flanken style ribs from the brisket ribs, or left whole. They're referred to as dino ribs a lot of times. So flanken style ribs are just a cross cut. So we'll do some flanken ribs out of this set. So flanken ribs or Korean ribs. Take off that fat cap. Those we're gonna cut at about 1/2 inch. Oh, maybe 3/4 inch. Okay, so there's flanken ribs, regular beef short ribs. Put these out this way, see meat on them. And then the dino ribs or the brisket ribs. There's 3 styles of short ribs.